What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Gala games. Currently we're seeing at 0.02321. We're up 0.4 on the day. Seeing market cap 644 million. 24-hour volume 48 million. So let's hop into the charts. As we can see on the 1 hour time frame, potentially going through an ABC correction, leading diagonal wave 1. If we put in a higher high, it is what it is. But as of right now, we have 5 waves off the low. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 in a leading diagonal, and now starting to break down in a wave A, and then you push up in a 3-wave move in a B, you would come down in a 5-wave move in a C. That's what I think is the likely scenario. Of course, anything can happen. So if we end up putting in a higher high, it is what it is. But our bounce zone is in between 0.0211 and 0.02212. Could offer another entry opportunity. We're currently in we have 3 ongoing Gala trades in the Discord, as well as a trade for VChain and XRP. You can receive free access to my signals at the end of the video. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala. Pull back in the wave 2, ABC correction before continuation back to the upside. On the daily chart, you can see those daily EMAs. That's what we need to get back above. So we see a little bit of pullback and then bounce back to the upside, put in an inverse head and shoulders. You can see it better here. Left shoulder head, put in that right shoulder. We're seeing that all over the market. And then continuation back to the upside. That's what I think is the likely scenario. Get back above those daily EMAs and head up towards our and head up towards our wave 3 target. This is only one of our trades. We already hit TP3. We have 2 other trades ongoing for Gala. So the wave 3 target from here would be 0.05981. Sometimes my dyslexia hits hard. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala. The money is flowing back in as price is falling here. We didn't quite reach oversold, but I don't think it's likely we create a lower low. Anything's possible, but we have a nice leading diagonal. So what I'm expecting is to come back down to the target zone and then bounce back to the upside. If we create a higher high, grab some liquidity, come down, that's perfectly okay. We still will see that pullback before continuation, in my opinion, but of course anything can happen. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. All around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. Email me after you make your first deposit. Completely free access to my VIP rooms, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis. We're in multiple Forex trades, multiple crypto trades, my how to all plays, all in one place, completely for free with a sign up and deposit to Bitfinex. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. All links down below. You can check out my full-length tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Smash that like button. See ya. Peace out.